Please. 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 I've accepted to do whatever you want with my body, please. But just give me gin. I need to be high. I need to be drunk. I don't want to feel anything you are doing it. I need food. I'm hungry. Please. Please. And secondly, can you make love to me? I want to feel you. I want to feel loved. Please. Can I ask you a question? If you really needed the womb desperately, why didn't you do it when I was tipsy? Why? Why did you allow me to wake up? Why?
The rule is that you must accept it. That's it. So, are you in?
Okay. Just get me food. Give me anything. I just want to be high. I don't want to feel anything. Please. Drink anything, please. Please. Damian. Can you please just make love to me now? Please.